Hello everyone. Today we have with us Jnanesh Shetty. Jnanesh has done his BTech last year, so I would consider him as still a fresher. A lot of people keep asking me these questions on will freshers get a job, right? Absolutely. Look at the classic example, right, Jnanesh? But everyone won't get. Out of 8 lakh students who are graduating in BTech alone every year, getting a job is very difficult. It's not easy. It's not walk in the park. So Jnanesh, I'm sure, would have invested a lot of effort. He worked on real world projects. He woke up at 5:30 every day to attend the project meetings. And hence he's successful. He's working in a company called as BizViz Technologies as a data engineer now. And within 1 year of program completion, his graduation completion, he cracked the job. It's not even 1 year, but yet he got into this profession. And given his hard work and dedication, I'm pretty sure that he's going to scale and move to the next level and grow in his career in leaps and bounds. That is what my wish is for him, right? So let us understand from Jnanesh itself. So Jnanesh, how was your journey and how did 360 Digit MG and AI Spry help you?
Yeah, 360DigiTMG helped me to upskill in the data science domain and relate it to the industry, how industry is using the data. And through projects, I was able to know better, get better understanding about the data and how it is utilized in various kinds of industries. Nowadays, data is everywhere, and people are using data for better sales, better profits, and leveraging data in many ways. So I could relate to the industry level, and I could apply my knowledge on through projects, and I could enhance my data skills.
Wonderful. So, in the interviews, do you think you were the only person who was interviewed, or do you think many people were interviewed for this particular position?
Many people were interviewed actually.
Right. And what do you think was so different in you that the company has selected you, Jnanesh?
Yes, one of the main thing I would suggest is the ability to solve a problem in many ways. Like we need to be curious while learning. Like how can we solve a problem in different ways? This approach or this curiosity will help us to know better ways to solve a same problem. This has helped me to uh, crack the interview actually.
Wonderful, wonderful. And for the students who are currently undergoing training, or for the students who just completed the training, what would your suggestion be, Jnanesh? What would you suggest for them to get a job?
One thing is, yeah, one thing is consistent work is absolutely necessary. And other thing, as I said, you need to be curious enough to explore the various things apart from what you get through the training, so that you can get different perspective to solve a problem and different ways to approach it. This is also necessary to learn deeper. That would be
Absolutely.
my suggestion.
Absolutely. There you go, guys. So you're directly listening from a person who worked hard, put in hard work, and got a job, right? So you have to take the advice of Jnanesh seriously.
Yeah.
And I recommend everyone to, you know, implement whatever Jnanesh has told in their practical settings so that they get a job. Thank you so much, Jnanesh, for your time. Do stay in touch. All the very best. And I'm sure you are going to grow to the next level. And whenever there are any job openings in your company, do let us know. The other 360 Digit MG students, probably will get benefited from that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Janish. See you.